How to check first message on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check first message on Instagram. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing that you'll need to do is open up your Instagram and go to your DMs. So the first and the easiest method is to just go to a chat, press on the top of your screen so that it can scroll up, tap on it multiple times until you see the end or the top of your DM. So here, as you can see, there isn't much message, but if I tap on top, it'll simply take me to the top of your message. So you can try that out on some other as well. So let's do that. You can press on the top and it will take you to the top. So that's one way of doing it. So the other thing that you can also do is find a keyword that you used, with the person. So let's say if I go to this, now I don't want to keep on tapping on the top of this screen. You can just go to this person's, settings, go to the search bar and simply search for a keyword or something. If I simply search for it and just go to the top, as you can see, this is the first message that I sent to this person. So this is basically the top of my, message. So we can also check that out if I just go and yeah, there we go. That's the first message. And that's how you can check first message on Instagram. Thanks for watching. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.